Today we will learn how to backup your Tally Prime data using Cobian backup. Cobian backup is a simplified approach to backup and restore your data in a scheduled manner. You can connect the application to a domain or a local system account and schedule the execution of the backup process as per your setup. Download Cobian application. To download the application, you need to go www.cobiansoft.com site, save the .exe in any of the local drives, install the Cobian application, double-click cbsetup.exe, then press run. In the setup window, click next, click I accept the conditions, then click on next. Type or locate the installation path, then click on next. Under installation type, select as a service. Under service options, select one of the following. If you are on a domain, select use a regular account and provide your username and password to prevent any domain controller restrictions. If it is a standalone PC, select use local system account. Then click next. Then click yes. Then click on install. Once installation process is complete, click done. Setup backup. Open the application. Click task. Then select new task or press Ctrl plus A. Under the general tab, enter task name. For example, backup 001. Then press OK. Click files to select the source. Select the required folder. Click add. Then select files from the list. Select the folder where Tally data is saved. Click destination. Then select the path to save data. Then select a folder and click OK. Click the schedule tab. Set the frequency for data backup. Click the dynamics tab. Set the count of backup in full copies to keep. For example, if you want to backup your data daily, you can keep only the last 3 backups. This completely depends on your business needs. Click the archive tab. Select the compression type, that is, you can use zip, 7-zip or no compression. Please note, 7-zip provides better compression. You can encrypt files up to AES 256 bits. Click the filter tab and select the files you want to include. Exclude start.tsf file from scheduled backup and continue accessing the data during the backup process. Click add, then browse for .tcf files and press OK. Please note, during backup process, no need to stop working on Tally as the .tcf files are already excluded. Click the Advanced tab, then enable the required options and click OK. As per the schedule time, day and date, backup will take automatically. Cobian application shows the backup status and backup size. The backup taken from Cobian application will appear in the destination specified during backup. To restore the data, right-click the data backup, then click 7-zip, extract here. The data is extracted in the folder with the same naming convention used in Tally Prime. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.